Take two. I just need something unexpected, something sharp, something new. It's not symmetrical or perfect, but it's beautiful and it's mine. What else can I do? What else can I do? I grow rows and rows of roses, Flor de Mayo, by the mile. I make perfect practice poses, so much hides behind my smile. What could I do if I just grew what I was feeling in the moment? Keep going. What could I do if I just knew it didn't need to be perfect, just needed to be? They let me be a hurricane of jacarandas, strangling figs, hanging vines. Palma de Seraph is the air as I climb and I push through. What else can I do? Can I deliver us a river of sundew? Careful, it's carnivorous, a little just won't do. I wanna feel the shiver of something new. I'm so sick of pretty, I want something true. You seem like your life's been a dream since the moment you opened your eyes. All I know are the blossoms you grow, and it's awesome to see how you rise. How far can I rise? Through the roof to the skies, let's go. A hurricane of jacarandas, swinging figs, hanging vines. What else can I do? What can you do when you are truly madly deeply in the moment? Gotta keep going. What can you do when you know who you are isn't perfect? I'll still be okay. I'm coming through with Tabapuya, making waves, changing